Ever wondered how some channels explode in popularity with Would You Rather quiz shorts? Well, stick around because I'm about to spill all the secrets. Imagine this, a channel created just 9 months ago already raking in 696,000 subscribers and millions of views. And get this, another channel, only 5 months old, boasting a whopping 1.65 million subscribers. Talk about skyrocketing to fame. Both channels are using a simple but insanely effective formula, Would You Rather quiz shorts. These videos are getting up to millions views each. And while they might seem effortless, there's a strategy behind the madness. Social Blade estimates some of these channels are earning up to $80,000 per month. If you're planning to start your own channel, you're in luck. I'm here to show you how to avoid those pitfalls and create viral, Would You Rather quiz shorts with Canva and ChatGPT. Ready to go viral? Let's dive in. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future tips. To create such kinds of shorts, first, I will go to ChatGPT and write this prompt and ask it to give me a series of 10 questions. I also asked it to follow my guide and add the percentage of how people are likely to respond to questions. And this is what ChatGPT has created, a tabular form of data that has 4 columns including percentages also. Now to create short videos, we will use Canva. Open Canva, then click on Videos and Mobile Videos. Here it is. Drag it to 7 seconds as our scene's duration will be 7 seconds. Now click on Elements and click on Square. Drag it and adjust it. Now duplicate it and replicate it just below. To make it more attractive, I will change the color of both shapes. This color is looking good. Now change this one also. Add another and change the color to black. Now adjust it between the scene. If you want to start multiple Faceless channels and earn money with easiest possible way, then you can take our free training, check the link in the description. Further, we will add a circle exactly in the center and adjust it. Now to add text, click on Text and add text. Change text and write or. To change the fonts, click on the fonts. Currently, I am using the Intro Rust font. Change the color and adjust it exactly in the center. Now to add further text, click on Add Text. Now open ChatGPT and copy the first option and paste it in the box. Change the fonts, drag it to the desired position, and adjust it exactly in the center from both sides. Change the color to black. Now duplicate it and drag it below. Now again, move to ChatGPT and copy the second option, and paste it in the box. To add percentage options, click on Add Text. Open ChatGPT, copy the first percentage, and paste it here in the box. Now duplicate it and drag it on the option A and option B, change the color. You should give the higher percentage a green color and the lower percentage a red color. Change the fonts of the percentage text. For such amazing content, do subscribe and you can watch other video on my channel. Now to add a tablet, click on Elements and type tablet in the search section. Click this one, drag it to the required position, and adjust it. In the further step, we need to add a timer. Click on Upload and add timer. You can upload it from your computer. Remove the video background and adjust it exactly on the circle. We will keep our timer for 3 seconds. Hold Shift and select option 2 along with the tablet. Right-click and click on Show Timing. As our option 2 appears after option 1, we will give a gap of 1 second. Move it away for 1 second along with the tablet. For the 3-second timer, adjust it at 2.1 seconds from the start. As our options will appear after the timer ends, we will trim both options exactly where the 3-second timer ends. We will also drag our percentage answer exactly after the timer ends. To add a start voice effect, search for a golf club swing and use this 119. Drag it to the start and where option 2 starts. For the timer, we will search clock ticking and drag this one to where the timer starts and trim it to where it ends. Now, where percentages will appear, we will add a bell ring audio. Now our one scene is almost ready. Before making it final, select all elements and click on Animation. Select Pop Animation because it suits this kind of video. For some ease and future use, we will delete all elements except audio and download our video including only audio. Now select Ctrl Z. And it will reappear again. Upload this one again and set it to the background. Now to make all other scenes. Now open ChatGPT, copy the first option, and search No Internet. Click on this one. Click on Add to New Folder and name the folder Video 1A. Click on Add to Folder. We will repeat this process for all option A. Now for option B, copy the first one and search No Phone. Click on it. Add to the new folder and name it Video 1B. We will add this process for all option B. For bulk creation, click on Apps and click on Bulk. Click on Enter Data manually. Scroll down and click on Clear Data. Now head towards ChatGPT, copy the whole data, and paste it here. To add images, click on Add Image. In image 1, add option A images one by one. In image 2, add option B images one by one. Now copy option A and connect it with option A. For above the tablet, connect it with image 1. Connect option A text with option A. Connect below the tablet with image 2. Connect option A percentage with option A percentage and option B percentage with option B percentage. Click here on continue. As our video will be below 1 minute and it's above 1 minute, we will delete 2 scenes. As previously mentioned that the larger percentage will be green and the lower will be red, check it again manually and change the colors if needed. To add the audio, we will be using 11 Labs. It's one of the best and has thousands of voices. You can sign up here using your Gmail. I will paste my text one by one for all 8 scenes. Paste the scene 1 text and click generate and download it. Repeat the process for all the 8 scenes. Now rename all the 8 scenes audios. Head towards Canva. Click on upload. Upload all the audios. Drag them one by one exactly to the start of their scenes. To make it amazing, click it and add transitions. Add apply to all. Now our video is ready.
Live with no internet forever or live with no phone forever.
Hope you liked our content. For such more amazing content, do subscribe us.